To this day, scientists still have no idea what made the sound. In 1997, underwater microphones picked up the loudest anomaly ever recorded in the ocean.
Contact unknown.
They called it the Bloop. It was loud enough to be detected by sensors over 3,000 miles apart, louder than an underwater volcano, louder than any known animal on Earth. NOAA said it came from a remote area of the South Pacific, near Point Nemo, the single most isolated spot on the entire planet. The closest humans to that point are astronauts on the International Space Station. Some researchers later suggested it was a massive chunk of Antarctic ice cracking apart. Others are not convinced, because the frequency profile of the Bloop matches one thing almost perfectly: a living organism. If it was alive, it would need to be several times larger than anything we have ever documented in the ocean. And here is what keeps researchers up at night. We have mapped more of the surface of Mars than we have of our own ocean floor. 95% of the deep ocean is completely unexplored. It could still be down there right now, which means that